Okay, what you're looking at is a EJ22 Subaru engine, 9091, out of a Subaru Legacy. Here you can see what it is. Spins over nice and easy, and it ran good. But spinning over easy tells you that probably the rings are shot. Motor was using a considerable amount of oil, and it has a burnt valve. This head seems to be okay, but this head had a real problem. So we've been looking for a good machine shop that has experience with Subaru engines to build us a short block and possibly rebuild the heads.